Good. Hello. Good afternoon also from my side. Thank you for the introduction. Yes, currently the 190th Oktoberfest is running close or in Munich, and we are located close to Munich, but yeah, we don't go there every day. It's a little bit expensive. Yeah. So who are we? Who is Delo? So Delo is an adhesive company. We manufacture adhesives. So maybe a little bit, not common here in this kind of conference with miniLEDs, but you will hear later why we are here. So we are a family-owned company with roughly 245 million euro of revenue in the year and have almost 1,200 employees all over the world. What we are doing is, we're doing adhesive for many applications, as you can see here. For example, a smartphone. There is some sensing inside. There you can use adhesive. There are loudspeakers. They will not work without adhesives. There's a camera that will not work without adhesive. There's a microphone. There's also adhesive inside. So that's one big application for us. Also glasses. There are microphones inside. There are loudspeakers inside, sensing, etc. So also a big topic for us and maybe for you too. And also flexible electronics is possible with adhesive. Here you can see we can bond LED chips on flexible substrates, and we can connect these chips electrically and also save these chips in place with structural materials. And if you like, you can put afterwards a liquid PC mold over it, and then you have an in-mold electronics, which works with adhesive. Yeah, but we are here for microLED and mini-LED. So where we are heading. As you can see here on the left side, that's our solutions we are into. So edge lengths over 1,000 microns until 150, 100. Works with standard products. Then between 175 microns is called mini-LED. Yeah, we have also standard products, but we are doing a little bit R&D. And if it's going smaller than 75, so 50 between 10 microns, then it's a little bit more challenging for us, but we are working on it, and we have so-called VE products, so this R&D products from our house, and we are working on it. And we are coming also from the RFID business with conductive materials, and we thought, why not use this technology from RFID into mini-LED? Yeah, and to test such applications, we need a test board. So we searched in the industry, on the market, there was nothing available. So we decided to create our own test board for our needs. Meanwhile, the third version of our test board, but now we were able to test our materials with mini-LEDs. And what we have here, we have pad gaps with around 70 microns without solder-resist material. We have those gaps with solder-resist materials with opening 500 by 270. Yeah, and with this board we are able to benchmark our adhesive with conductive foil, ACP, solder, etc., and do our reliability testing in our ovens and etc. Yeah. Now we can test our materials. As you can see here, that we are not only doing PowerPoint engineering, it's working, it's can light. I have the test board here, it's looking like that, and I just switch it on. And as you can see, it's really bright, so it works thanks to adhesive. Yeah. Then, of course, now we have a test board. Now we need chips because we want to enlight something. Thankfully, the company Chips for Light supported us with mini-LED chips. And as you can see here, it's a little bit big. It's 100 by 200 microns, but that's the limit in our engineering lab. So we are adhesive manufacturers, not semiconductor factory, etc. And our BASI machine is limited to this size. So we can bond smaller chips, but not in-house, so because the camera cannot see it anymore. The pixel is too big. But this was the chips we were using for this. Right. and the gap size is around 80 microns.